It's cheese o'clock somewhere.
I know that's right.
How's your day going?
Pretty good. Wrapping up soon.
It's cheese o'clock somewhere, right?
Cheese o'clock? Man, that just made my day, dude.
So, should we, split a bottle of cheese? Or is that crazy?
Why not? It's cheese o'clock somewhere.
Hey!
Huh?
Are you Eugene Malsini?
Yes?
I'm with the government.
Oh my god.
We've been hearing some of the stuff you've been saying.
Oh,
We want you to be the president.
for real? It's cheese o'clock somewhere?
Yeah!